Alright y'all, what's going on YouTube? Right now we're on our way to a car show and we're gonna be taking pictures. When we look up the address, it shows up a house, so let's see how it's gonna work. So I don't know how it's gonna work. Oh shit. Where do we park? Okay. Damn. Yeah. Oh, I sure about the picture. Might have to switch to fucking wide angle. How's that look? Nice. Tu cámara, güey. Hah? Entar tu cámara, güey. Lamborghini. That's your Lamborghini. Oh shit. Todos tienen cámaras, güey. Yeah, that one was ass.
You can't hear over that loud.
Yo, hey, we found out who owns the Civic with the You run a media business?
Oh, no.
You do media at all? No?
Just
Do you
a
upload
hobby.
on anything?
No, just a hobby.
Oh, okay. I was just seeing if you posted on anything because I've told everybody else with the camera to try tagging the event or my page in it. But yeah, man, if you don't post on anything, I mean, you got anything I could follow you on?
Not really, no. I'm just starting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that?
Yeah.
What's the body on that? What is that?
The a7iv.
Just starting, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, I set everything up today.
Dang
It
it.
was crazy. What time did you get here?
Just now.
This whole thing was packed like an hour ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang.
There's 4 rows. This whole row was packed all the way. This whole side of this was packed.
Dang.
All the way down here. I'm surprised this many people are heading out this fast though.
Alright, guys. Thought we get kicked out or some shit. Or like telling us that we can't take pictures. Shit recording still? Yeah. Fuck. The hell? Yeah. For real. Oh shit, you guys can't even see, bro. What? My fault. Here's a police thing. The radar shit, whatever. Ooh, looks nice inside. Here's a whole fire extinguisher and everything. Here's a whole fire extinguisher right here. How should I do this? Oh yeah. Where did that guy come from, he said? Shit, if I don't know what it's called, then it's gotta be far. Excuse me. Hell yeah, bro, I've seen this car before. She sounds nice. Yo, look at this. Oh yeah. I think that's good.
He's made these. These are $600 pair of shoes. These are made for 9E16 W. One-off pair. You're never gonna see another pair. I have fully custom made. Yeah. That's not new. I do it.
Yo, you guys hear that? Hey. Damn, y'all can't see, bro. I'm sorry. Fuck. It smells like straight up gas. I'm gonna get a video of it real quick. Cameraman. You get into the Lambo? Shit, maybe. Everybody look. If you want. How is recording?